to fade away.
Good morning, welcome back to day 3. But actually it's not such a good morning. As you can see, the rain has just gotten worse. It's been raining whole night, and the only thing that seems to have reduced is the traffic behind us, and what seems to have increased is an active river behind us, as you can see. Anyway, we've been waiting for an hour, but I think we'll just have to get going now and just ride in this rain. Finally, we've got out of Nagpur city. Crazy cats and dogs rain. We already finished breakfast at the hotel while we were waiting for the rain to subdue. On that note, we've hit the road. We are en route to Sagar, 300 plus kilometers. We should be there in 6 hours. While we wait for the train to pass, here is something that I want to show you. What we see on Sham's helmet, that's a Bluetooth speaker called Parani. It's amazing product. I've been procrastinating from buying it for so long, but for this long ride we definitely wanted to be able to communicate. If you see, this is mine. We are able to talk to each other on the highway. It has amazing noise cancellation. We'll be doing a full video on this when we get back home. Finally, the rain has stopped. We've been on the road for 90 minutes now. We've covered about 70 kilometers. It's been a slow day because of the rain this far. On that note, I would like to point out that we've not found any spot for breakfast. So if you're starting from Nagpur towards Sagar, I suggest you have your breakfast at Nagpur itself. I've now hit a forest reserve area. As you can see, this is an epic road. It's properly laid, painted, marked. It's beautiful to ride in. And look at these curves. Just look at how amazing these are. Beautifully laid. Totally loving this ride today. So this is a forest reserve area that borders both Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. We are well into crossing the border now. Probably pretty soon in half an hour or so. We should be into Madhya Pradesh. Yay! We have entered into Madhya Pradesh, our 4th state. So happy, and also take a look at how bright and beautiful it is. It's so sunny. We're going to make the best use of this and going to be riding at least another 100 kilometers until we reach a lunch spot. We have reached this place called Lucknow. This is where we'll be stopping for lunch. We've covered around 200 kilometers. We still have halfway to go. So it's a quick lunch stop and we have to get back on the road soon. Right, so remember when I said, whoa, bright and beautiful and all that? Serves me right. It is worse than before. It's raining cats and dogs right now. We again had to stop and suit up in monsoon gear. Honestly, in Bangalore, I thought, oh, amazing monsoon ride. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna take so many shots, but it absolutely is not fun riding in rain. Another 50 kilometers we have ridden this way continuously in this rain. We have another 150 kilometers to go to reach Sagar. Yeah, this, as you can see, this is how we're riding. Rain has stopped again. We have done 320 kilometers. We've taken 5 hours, but if not for bad weather, you can probably do it in lesser time. The road is really well maintained and good, but be on the watch out for cows on the road. This highway, you'll be at high speed, and we've also had near hit and miss. Take a look at these. There are cows everywhere. So please be careful when you're riding towards Sagar. We have come to a junction here, which is just 10 kilometers before Sagar. It's almost 6 o'clock. As you can see, the sun is setting. I'm going to start looking for a place on Make My Trip, because we've been riding around the last 2 days searching for a place, and rain has got our energy down so much. We don't want to be riding around in the city looking for a place. So let's check in, and we'll see you in a bit. So we have checked into a hotel I booked via Make My Trip. Last 2 days we've been roaming around trying to find a hotel in the city. So to avoid that, we've decided to book from a website from now on. And we're just heading down for dinner. So Sham, how was your Central India's monsoon experience?
See, I know we spoke about it. It's one thing to expect and prepare for rain, and altogether difference to actually experience it. I mean, I
can't believe I've not got the footage of Sham. He just stopped in the highway, removed his boots, and started squeezing the water out of his socks.
Oh.
I don't know what I was busy with. I've forgotten completely to shoot that. That was an epic scene.
Yeah, I rode today the whole day with.
We need to see why his boots got wet and mine didn't, though. But however, all in all, 3 things from today. Have breakfast when you start from Nagpur. 2, you are going to get plenty of places to have lunch once you cross the border. And 3, like Sham said, Makhan route. Butter smooth roads.
Really good.
Loved it.
Yeah.
The landscape, the hue, the views are just too good for a photographer. In me, she was very happy today. So you know the drill now. We have to go around 11 hours tomorrow. We're going to go to the capital, Delhi. So we got to refresh, rejuvenate and relax now. So good night and see you tomorrow.